Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a radiator on a Nissan Rogue. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant or engine components. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Finally, gather all necessary tools, including a large drain pan, hose clamp pliers, and a trim removal tool to ensure a smooth process. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Position your drain pan directly beneath the radiator's drain plug, usually found at the bottom. Open the plug, often a Phillips head or flathead screw, and allow all the coolant to flow out. Once drained, use hose clamp pliers to loosen and remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Don't forget to detach the smaller overflow hose from the radiator filler neck as well. With the hoses disconnected, it's time to remove the old radiator. First, unbolt the cooling fan assembly, which is usually secured by two 10mm bolts. Gently pull the fan assembly out of the way. Next, locate and remove any clips or rubber mounts holding the radiator in place. Carefully tilt the old radiator and lift it straight up and out of the engine bay. Now, carefully lower your new radiator into position, ensuring it seats correctly on its lower pins. To finish up, reconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses, the overflow hose, and the cooling fan assembly. Ensure the radiator drain plug is securely tightened. Now, slowly fill the radiator with about 8.5 quarts of a 50-50 coolant and distilled water mixture. Run the engine with the radiator cap off to bleed any trapped air, topping off the coolant as needed. Finally, check for any leaks around the new radiator and hose connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.